Hi, paper engineers in training. Good day. You see this little, this is a finch. Okay, they're goldfinches here in the state of Washington. That's a female. And right down there is Cupcake. And that's what that little bird is doing, is warning everybody about Cupcake. And so anyway, that bird also landed on my hat. I don't know if you can see it or not, but anyway, yeah, landed on my hat and was chirping away. So they're not afraid of me in any way, but they are letting everybody know. Now, those are the bunch onions. I'm going to have to separate them out. I really need to do it tonight. And same way with these big onions here, I need to spread them out. So I don't know. I'm just not getting enough time to do everything. And again, the radishes seem to think it's winter time and they're bolting. But that's okay, because I'm going to have lots of seed again this year, and I'm going to plant them next year. Those radishes over there are red radish. And they're actually not doing too bad. They're actually turning into a radish, which is cool. Last year I got none. I've had one so far. And I'm having a problem with a mole or a vole or something. I haven't been able to catch the little sucker. And he keeps digging up and eating things. As you can see, the tomatoes are starting to do well. And yeah, they're going to come along nicely. And I just noticed this. I've got zucchini flowers. There's one right down there, and there is one right there. So I might have zucchini this year better than last year. And only 2 cauliflowers came up. That one and that one. And that's okay. Bad spring and summer. Everything has been cold. Literally ice cold in the mornings. Not icy, but 5 degrees. 4 degrees, and 7 degrees. Anyway, I planted corn 3 times. All right, 3 times I planted corn, and I got 1 corn seed coming up. Oops, that's it, 1. And so I'm not planting anymore. It's done. The cucumbers, doing good. I'm gonna have a lot of carrot seed, which is awesome news. And I'm going to have a lot of onion seed. These little ones here are bunch onions, and that's bunch onion right there too. These are big onions, like Walla Walla Sweets or something. And as you can see over here, I had a lot of collard seed. Now, all of this collard seed that I got right now, this is all for the birds. They all get it. They get to eat this. And that's just bird food. And so anyway, same with this over here. These are what are these? These are Brussels sprouts. And they're eating the seed off that. But I already got a bunch of seed, so I don't have to worry about getting any more. And as you can see, it's starting to bloom again. So it's going to make some more seed, which is fine with me. These here, this stump right here, that is beets. And I've got to watch that very carefully, because I don't know how fast beet seed ripens. First time I've ever had them. And let's go over here and see what we got over here. This is an update on the potato patch. I am now basically just about halfway done with it. That's all cleaned, no potatoes in it. And this has all got to be cleaned out, more potatoes. Oh, you can see those over there? Yeah, those, see that little hole? Those have all been munched on by voles. And so what I'm doing is I'm leaving all the chewed ones for the voles to eat. And you can see the hole right there. That's a vole hole. And I got more along here, but I'm going to dig this all up too. I'm not sure how I'm going to keep the voles out. Haven't quite figured that one out yet. because you can put wire mesh underneath, very, very tiny chicken wire, but then you can't rake the stuff because the tines get hung up in it. And so I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. But I may just go ahead and clean all this out of the way, move it this direction, and lay down very tiny chicken wire, very low underneath of what I need to do for the potatoes. But then again, I don't know. It's one of those things I've got to learn. And so I better show you one more thing before I go. And it's over here, a second planting of garlic this year. And as you can see, I've got garlic coming up all over the place. I don't know if you can see it or not. Maybe you can. Let's go this direction. Oh, that looks a little bit better. But those are all fresh garlic coming up. And so I'll have 2 plantings of garlic. And I'm hoping, I really am hoping, that these seeds that are popping up over here, these ones here, I hope that those are, oh, and they are, I think they are. Here's one that came up right here. And that leaf looks just like those leaves. So I might have summer squash this year. Good ones. My goodness, it took a lot to get this stuff to grow this year. Bad spring. Super bad spring. Nothing worked. Most all the seeds rotted in the ground. And so anyway, thank you, Paper Army, for being the fantastic human beings that you are. I love you all. Now, my new show times is 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. No evening show. So all y'all that come to my evening shows, please move to the earlier show, especially you all over there in Europe, because it's now a time when you can see it. And so, anyway, there's Cupcake. And she wants those birds really bad, but they know she'll get them. All right, you guys, take care. I love you a lot. I'll be live today at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Take care, Paper Army.